Today we're going to move this big hibiscus here, and you can see how big it is, and we're going to put it right here. So the first thing we'll have to do is, of course, dig up all these daylilies, and I think that we're just going to throw them away because we've got enough daylilies because they multiply so fast. So that's the next thing we're going to do, is dig up these daylilies. And we'll get started by just cutting down all these right here. Then we'll dig them up once we get that done. So Nathan is just starting out by cutting them down to the ground because that'll make them a lot easier to dig up.
Got a whole lot.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch here.
Further back.
What I want to do is dig a hole right here for the hibiscus.
Alright, how wide of a hole?
Actually, we can look and see how wide the hole we need by looking at these roots here. You can see, so it's going to be like, you see what I'm getting at?
Yeah, so that's going to be a pretty big hole. We'll basically dig the whole thing.
Yeah.
That could probably drop out I mean, that's going to be most of this at least.
Yeah. I'm wondering if we want to put the dirt into the wheelbarrow as you dig it up.
Oh, okay.
That way, dig up all the old lilies out of there. And this right here is a lily root right there. Right here, these are lilies. You have to get rid of all those because they'll just grow into new lilies. These right here are tulips that we're finding, so we'll just replant those. Okay.
You think that's good?
Yeah, you want to start over here?
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know where to begin with. You just have to guess where the edge of it is, I think. So what we're going to do is you put the shovel on one side and dig it in, and then you pry up, and then you keep going around and prying up, and eventually you'll see the whole clump start to move. See what I mean?
Yeah. So instead of going straight down, kind of move to an angle and place.
Yeah, and then push down once, and then go like that.
Okay.
It's going to be hard to pry up.
Yeah.
So,
I really wonder if we're going to do this successfully.
I don't know, but we need to keep going around in a circle and doing that.
Here, okay, I can get it from there. Here, come.
Okay. So there's a piece. Just keep going around doing it like I did. Push down, and then pry backwards, and push down and pry backwards. Now pry backwards. Now, just keep doing both. See how it's coming up when you do that?
Yeah.
And then try it over on this side a little bit too.
Is it already out or no?
No, a little bit more. So here's the hole we dug, and here it is here. So we actually had to end up dividing it in half because it was such a big old plant. cut these roots off. Okay, if you thought that was a good video, can you please subscribe and like this video? I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. And thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.